Curacao LNG Import and Transshipment Terminal is to be located on the southwest coast of Curacao, 12.9 kilometers northwest of Willemstad. This facility will be the first onshore LNG receiving terminal in Curacao, as well as the Caribbean area. It is to serve as the LNG import port into Curacao, and it is also expected to be the future LNG transshipment hub for Caribbean area. The terminal site is allocated within the property of Refineria de Curacao, or called as RDK. The estate allowance for the terminal includes some 36-hectare land with approximately 1 kilometer waterfront, among which about 24 hectares will be used for the proposed terminal. The terminal receives LNG at cryogenic temperature from LNG carriers through a marine jetty and store it in the LNG tank. According to the send-out demand, LNG will be withdrawn from the tank, then regasified and delivered to the send-out pipeline to the designated delivery point, which is about 8 miles southeast of the terminal. For Phase 1 development, the terminal capacity is configured at 1.40 million tons of LNG per year, or 3,840 tons per day as an average. The terminal will be equipped with one 160,000 cubic meter LNG tank, LNG regasification system, BOG handling system, and other associated process and utilities. Space is reserved for 2 more 160,000 cubic meter LNG tanks once the market demand arises. Area for a 4-bay truck loading station is also reserved to serve the liquid LNG distribution in Curacao. The marine jetty is to accommodate the LNG carriers with sizes up to 170,000 cubic meters. Capability of handling small LNG carries with capacity as small as 6,000 cubic meters is also to be built in for LNG loadout. In addition to the process facilities, the terminal will also provide space for the electrical power generation and distribution facilities, utilities, control room, and admin building. The LNG is to be resourced from Latin America, North America, or West Africa. The storage capacity of the 160,000 cubic meter LNG tank is able to support approximately 14-day operation between 2 adjacent LNG cargo loads. The shipping schedule is to be managed in accordance with the base load, season fluctuation, weather impact, and other factors. The terminal is configured with adequate redundant for all key facilities and 100% electrical power backup. Therefore, the terminal shall offer 100% availability without interruption. The terminal EPC is planned to start in early 2017. Once started, the detailed design, LNG supply agreements, and gas user agreements will be concluded within 1 year or earlier. Titan has full confidence, which was built on the project experiences, to set the terminal into commercial operation within the first quarter of 2021. Let's put the hope together that Curacao LNG Receiving Terminal will be a shining star over the Caribbean Sea as a hub for LNG applications and as a pioneer to protect our environment, our air, our water,